Uh-oh, my kitchen's open air. Time for rainy day cooking. Chef Bigfoot needs a roof before soup turns into rainwater. Perfect. Maybe fire in the ray. Challenge accepted. Small baby fire. Don't embarrass me in front of the camera. Yes. Primitive Chef 1, Rain 0. Today's menu, rainy jungle stew. Secret ingredient, mystery mushroom. Hope not poison. Extra water, free seasoning from the sky. A true chef never gives up, even when soaking wet. Primitive kitchen upgrade. Whoa! Smells like wet forest and victory. Could use salt or maybe less rain. Chef's tears. It's a flame of flavor. Best restaurant in the jungle. Always open, no roof. 5-star meal, 1-star shelter. Presentation matters, even in mud. Not today, Storm! My stew is sacred! Bigfoot Kitchen, open for business, rain or shine! Nothing beats a hot meal and cold rain. Sometimes, simple days are the best.
Thanks for watching Bigfoot's Primitive Kitchen. Please subscribe before my soup gets cold.